honest with you, I feel like this oil filter could be changed. I'm gonna jump that. What is up, guys? It's Weasel here, and today we're going to be changing the oil on my 2013 CRF250R. We're going to be changing the oil filter too in the process. So yeah, let's get to it. And first we're going to start off here by taking off the oil filter cover. God, those are tight. You know, just a sizable wrench. This is just a 14mm. Doesn't have to be anything in particular. And just give it a light peck around the edges like so. You can take a screwdriver, or you know, in my case, a screwdriver with a bit in it, and stick under this little seal around the edge here. But do not mess up. Try your best not to like scratch or mess up the seal around here, because you have a chance on the oil leaking in the future, especially if you tear your O-ring under the oil filter cover. Alright, now that you have the oil filter cover removed, you can go ahead and remove the oil filter and inspect the oil filter. Make sure you do not lose this little spring. Make sure you don't lose the spring. And this right here is where you inspect your oil filter to make sure that it doesn't have any metal shavings. It's not any messed up, you know, shade of anything in there. And to be honest with you, I feel like this oil filter could be changed. Oil. Your drain plug for your transmission oil is right behind the gear shifter. You can probably see that little bolt right in there. That right there is your transmission bolt. That's your transmission drain cover, or drain plug. So you want to take 12mm, slap it up in there, pop her loose. Ugh. God, that is over tightened. Very over tightened. It's that crush washer on there. It's getting hung on something. There we go. Yeah. I don't know if you can see that right there, but that's what my transmission oil looks like. Pretty sure it was past due for a transmission oil change too, but it only had about 10 hours on it. Alright guys, it is the next day. I don't know if you can tell, obviously not, but it is the next day and we are doing a test ride on this. I did do a test start yesterday. The reason why it is the next day though, my GoPro died. So what I'm doing is I'm going to do the first test ride on the oil change, since you know I changed the oil, transmission fluid and oil filter. But we're going to do a test ride. I did do a test start yesterday. Everything sounds good, top the oil off, everything's solid and ready to go. But we're going to do a test ride right here. So yeah, let's get to it. What I want to do is I want to hit one of these little hill climbs right through here that we've created in my little lane. We'll hit that one. That one right there. Lot better. this trail out here. I haven't been out here in a really long time. I'll say I might as I'm doing it. I'm in shorts and a cutoff too, so I'll probably get ate up by briars. My steering stem bearings are shot too, so riding around with shot steering stem bearings is not fun. I do got replacement bearings at the house. I might do a video on replacing them. Oh, I know. Oh God, I know this. Right, here we go. Real muddy. Got some arm pump. Whew. I want to hit that. Whew. Got some killer arm pump. Oh my God. That. Lord have mercy. I've lost a plastic bolt. Yeah. Actually, I got an idea. I'm gonna set up a flyby. I'm gonna set up a camera. Even though my plastic is coming off, I'm gonna try to set up a third-person GoPro angle. That way I can get a flyby of me through here. I'm just gonna come through here pegged. Cruise out of here now because my plastic is falling off. It's flying in the wind. I don't know if you've seen it in those last clips there. Yeah, let me guys know if you like the way I set up the GoPro for those last clips. That's the first time I've ever done that. I don't know how good it looked. I just picked a tree branch and clipped my GoPro mount on the tree branch and set it up at an angle I thought was pretty neat. Decided I would do some little runs, I guess digs as you'll call it. The thing that I would like to talk about is the reason I've not been making content, you know, as much as I could be. And the reason being is because the weather's not been this good. You know, it's not been as good as it is right now. We got 70-degree weather in March, you know, the beginning of March. That's very rare for Kentucky. Usually we have a second winter right here. But as summer comes and as I trade this dirt bike off, you know, to other dirt bikes along the road, you know, more content start coming out. I'll start pumping out as much content as I can during the summer. Summertime is like my time. I love to ride in the summertime. Oh, I lost. I got smoked by my own dog. I'm gonna jump that.